The Pixel 11 Pro hides some of Google's most significant tech changes yet. From a complete modem overhaul to AI-powered camera features and efficiency-focused chips, these quiet upgrades could drastically improve performance, battery life, and mobile photography capabilities. Many users won't notice the difference immediately, but the real-world impact is substantial. If you enjoy detailed tech breakdowns that uncover hidden upgrades and quiet changes, hit like, share this video, and subscribe. This channel focuses on the improvements that matter most in daily use, from performance and battery life to AI features and real-world camera capabilities. Don't miss these insights before everyone else notices. The first major upgrade is connectivity. Google is reportedly replacing the Snapdragon-based modem with MediaTek's new M90 solution. This change could provide significantly faster 5G speeds, dual SIM with dual active support, and satellite connectivity. Importantly, the M90 is more power efficient and generates less heat, meaning better battery life and improved stability under heavy usage. Signal reliability should also improve, addressing one of the long-standing Pixel limitations. Display improvements are another key area. The Pixel 11 Pro will feature a 6.44-inch LTPO OLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Peak brightness is increased, bezels are thinner, and color accuracy is improved. LTPO technology allows dynamic refresh rate scaling, which reduces power consumption when full 120Hz isn't required, making battery life more efficient without compromising smoothness or visual quality. The Tensor G6 chipset is at the core of this device. Built on a 2nm process, Google focuses on AI processing, thermal efficiency, and energy management rather than raw benchmark numbers. Expected benefits include faster on-device AI tasks, improved image and video processing, smoother system performance, and extended battery life. Real-world performance should feel noticeably more responsive, particularly in AI-driven applications like photography, voice commands, and real-time translation. Camera upgrades are extensive. The rear setup includes a 50MP primary camera, 48MP ultrawide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom. Google is reportedly implementing an AI-powered hybrid zoom capable of up to 100x zoom while maintaining high levels of detail. Ultra-low-light video recording down to 5 to 10 lux is also expected, enabling usable video in near-dark conditions. Google Photos will integrate AI enhancements such as real-time object removal, scene enhancement, noise reduction, and video repair. The front-facing camera is upgraded to a 42MP sensor with 4K HDR video recording. It includes an under-display IR sensor for secure, seamless face unlock. These changes enhance both photography and security without impacting the overall design. RAM and storage options are expected to be up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4 storage. The battery capacity is estimated at 5,100 mAh with 45W fast wired charging and G2 magnetic wireless charging. Efficiency improvements from the Tensor G6, adaptive display technology, and the new modem should make the phone last longer under daily usage while charging faster when needed. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, ultra-wideband support, and satellite SOS. Android 17 will ship with the device, and Google promises 7 years of software updates covering security, AI improvements, and feature additions. This long-term support is particularly significant, ensuring that the device remains relevant for years without losing performance or functionality. The Pixel 11 Pro does not rely on major design changes, but focuses on incremental improvements that impact real-world usage. Thinner bezels, a refined display, improved camera hardware, and software-optimized AI capabilities create a device that is smarter, more efficient, and more versatile than its predecessor. Every upgrade, from modem to battery management, is designed to improve daily usability rather than chase headline specifications. Charging and power management have been optimized as well. G2 magnetic wireless charging supports faster and more stable wireless charging, while the 45W wired option allows near-full charging in under an hour. Combined with energy-efficient components, this ensures that the Pixel 11 Pro can handle extended daily usage without frequent recharges. The AI capabilities of the Pixel 11 Pro extend beyond the camera. Tensor G6 enables real-time AI processing for tasks across apps like Google Photos, YouTube, and Gemini. This allows features like automatic scene recognition, video object edits, enhanced voice commands, and predictive text suggestions to function faster and more accurately than previous models. AI is no longer just a feature. It becomes an integrated part of a user experience. Thermal improvements are subtle but impactful. Efficient power management from the chipset, display, and modem reduces heat generation during gaming, video recording, or heavy multitasking. This not only improves battery longevity, but also ensures consistent performance without throttling. In summary, the Pixel 11 Pro's key upgrades are MediaTek M90 modem for improved 5G, satellite connectivity, and efficiency. 6.44-inch LTPO OLED display with adaptive 120Hz refresh rate and higher peak brightness. Tensor G6 chipset for AI performance, efficiency, and improved thermals. Triple rear camera with AI-powered 100x hybrid zoom, ultra-low light video, and integrated AI editing. 42MP front camera with under-display IR sensor for secure face unlock. Up to 16 GB RAM, 1 TB UFS 4 storage, 5,100 mAh battery with fast wired and wireless charging. Android 17 with 7 years of software support. These upgrades suggest that Google is focusing on long-term performance, AI capabilities, real-world efficiency, and camera innovation, rather than dramatic redesigns or chasing benchmark scores. Every change is engineered to improve daily usability, battery life, and AI-driven experiences. Open-ended forward-looking tease. With advanced AI, hybrid zoom, and connectivity improvements, the Pixel 11 Pro could redefine what smart means in 2026. Future leaks may reveal even deeper optimizations that expand AI functions, improve efficiency, or enhance camera capabilities further. These quiet upgrades could change expectations for mobile devices in ways we haven't fully realized yet.